Hello, I'm Mrs. Edgar, and this is just a quick tutorial on how to use our class Padlet. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here in basic course information right here. And if you'll notice, there's just a quick video on why we study history, a little introduction on me, and then here's our syllabus. So if you want to go ahead and click on that when you are kind of strolling through this on your own, you're going to click on it and you're going to see this has everything that we are doing for this year. This has the date. This has the lesson number. It has when we have an assessment due. Typically, we spend 2 days on each lesson. So for example, here, I know it's a little small, but when you're looking at it yourself, you'll be able to see it. We typically spend 2 days on a lesson. So this would be the first day. There's no assignment due the first day other than our readings and our student guide pages. And then the second day, you'll actually have the assessment. So you'll see that in here. But if you scroll through, you can see an entire semester of what we'll be doing and when we'll be doing it. Okay, so that is our syllabus. And then down here is our course expectations. You can click on that and look through. And then very important, our Brain Pop instructions. You can click on this and figure out how to get logged into Brain Pop and get started. Then obviously we have our units aligned, first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit. So depending on where you're coming in, when you're coming into class, this will be applicable to you. I'm going to go ahead and start with unit 2. So unit 2, if we click on unit 2, I click on this right here, you'll see this says a Renaissance begins class notes. So these are all the slides that we use during class. So when I click on it, you'll see it pulls up here, and we'll give it a second. And these are all the slides that we use in class. So for those of you that want to screenshot the slides, or you're like, hey, Ms. Edgar, can you slow down? Wait a minute. I need to take a look at the slide. You can always go back into our Padlet and take a look. And I'll scroll down here. And you'll see, I always go over the syllabus every day. But you'll see these are the exact same slides that we use during class. Okay? And you're also going to see, obviously, our flip video lessons. We're going to talk about that here in a minute. But these are all the slides that we use in class. So you can definitely get them through there, okay? And you can download them. There's a download button over here, or you can just look at them on the Padlet. That's totally up to you. And then as we go down, you'll see we have readings. So if you click on this, some of them are just readings. Some of them are actually, videos of myself reading, but they're all audio. So you can click on it. Let's click on this one right here. We'll click on it, and it'll come up. And you'll see it'll be really small at first. If I make it bigger, you'll see right here, and let me go ahead and turn on computer audio. Here we go. So you'll hear reading. You can't hear the reading now because I have the computer audio off, but I'm going to go ahead and pause that now so it's not playing in the background. But that is our reading. So you click on those and you'll hear the readings of the books. So, or of the book, of the readings. So for those of you that, don't want to read on your own, or the words are a little hard, or you like to have someone read to you, it's all there for you. So for some reason you are joining OHVA and you don't have your book yet, there's no reason for you not to be able to read because they're all read there for you. Okay, so make sure that you are looking over those. Then as we click down, we have our flip video lessons. Those are super important. They go along with your student guide pages. So if I click on the actual picture here, you'll see the actual flip video slides. Give my computer a second here. And these are the slides that are in the flip video lessons. These go directly with your student guide pages, okay? They go directly. Let me see if I have a picture of it in this one. I'm scrolling down rather quickly. Let's see. Yeah, so this little picture right here, I know you can't see very closely, but this is your student guide. So these pages go directly with your student guide. So you can either use the slides on here, or if I scroll back up here, right at the beginning, here's the actual video link. So when I click on this, you'll see the actual video comes up to the flip video lesson, okay? And so they're all here for you to look at. The Padlet has got a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of information. Okay, let me escape out of that. Back here. There we go. Okay, so we'll go back. So that's our flip video lesson. And then again, as you scroll down, you're going to see the pages that you're supposed to read, the flip video lesson that goes along with it. And then you'll also find Quizlet links. These are additional pages to help you when you're studying for your assessments. You can click on those. They lead here. I'll click on this one. They lead directly to an online Quizlet format. And so you can go there and you can study for your test. So, just these are different little flashcards that you can do. you can use those in there, okay? And then I also, if we do any videos, I don't always post them, but a lot of times I'll post different videos that we use. So there's videos in here that you can look at. They're different websites. This is a fun, I use a lot of Ducksters for Kids. This is a website that you can go to. A lot of additional information there on the topic that we are studying, okay? So again, I have all of the units loaded. You'll see they're all loaded for the entire semester. You'll notice, though, at the beginning of the lesson, look here on Unit 2. Let me scroll back up. You'll see the class notes. You'll see class notes here for Unit 1. As I'm making this video, we have not yet gotten to Unit 3. You will not see class notes for Unit 3. As we do the notes in class, that's when I add them. I update them each day. Okay, so you won't see notes for Unit 3 or Unit 4 yet, and so on. But as we get to those units, I upload them. But all of the readings are there. You will also notice the flip lessons are not there in future units. So I add the flip lessons as we go as well. Okay, so hopefully this gives you a good background on our Padlet and what needs to be done and all the information that you can find here. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in class soon.